We do begin here with the justices striking down President Biden's controversial student debt relief plan that would forgive student debts for more than 43 million Americans at a cost of $400 billion. Two lawsuits challenge the legality of that plan. Let's go ahead and bring in ABC's senior national correspondent, Terry Moran. Terry, break down the decision. And a lot of this had to do with the Biden administration overstepping its authority.
That's right. This is a huge case. As you say, 43 million people were eligible for up to $10,000 of debt relief under this program. The Supreme Court strikes that down because it says that President Biden and his Secretary of Education exceeded the authority that the law passed by Congress gave them. What the administration had tried to do was waive or modify the terms of the loan by forgiving the debt altogether. And what the Supreme Court says here, that is beyond the power of the president. Only Congress can waive that much debt, $400 billion, that it is such a large amount and such a sweeping assertion of presidential authority to modify the terms of the loans that way, that it exceeds presidential power, that Biden acted beyond his powers. In this opinion, the court saying, Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the 6 conservatives on this court, saying that the administration had asserted the authority to cancel $430 billion of student loan principal, that had the authority to do that. It does not, is what the court says, that is a major question for Congress to answer. So this is a blow to all of those people across the country who were hoping that the Biden plan that had been announced last year to forgive these debts would be approved by the Supreme Court. It's not. The only place that the court says that can be done is Congress passing a law to forgive that much debt.
Terry, thank you. And
people think that the President of the United States has the power for debt forgiveness. He does not. He can postpone, he can delay, but he does not have that power. That has to be an act of Congress. And I don't even like to call it forgiveness because that implies a transgression. It's not to be forgiven. Just freeing people from those obligations. So the question of who gets forgiven, to use the term of art that is out there, is a debate. Do we use whatever money there is for the broadest base of support of those with more people with even less debt or fewer people with more debt? That's a policy discussion. But the difference between the president can't do it. So that's not even a discussion. Not everybody realizes that. But the president can only postpone, delay, but not forgive.